Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 July 2018, 14 of hour, 56 of minute and 50 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long can you keep frosted cupcakes in the refrigerator? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long can you keep frosted cupcakes in the refrigerator. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how long can you keep frosted cupcakes in the refrigerator. Properly stored, freshly baked cupcakes will last for about 1 to 2 days at normal room temperature. Refrigerate immediately any cupcakes that contain frosting or filling made with dairy products or eggs, such as buttercream, whipped cream or custard frostings or fillings. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.